Welcome to Durable State of Persistence, where we cover storage-related topics in the container ecosystem. My name is Eric Forget, and this is episode 2. What we're going to do in this episode is dive into some of the basic concepts of Kubernetes. What we cover today are the absolute basics, and this is not anything that should be used in production. The first concept that we need to talk about with regards to running things in Kubernetes are pods. Pods are the smallest deployable units of compute that can be created and managed in Kubernetes. That means that we don't deal with containers, individual containers in Kubernetes. We deal with groups of containers that share an IP address and shared memory, IPC space, Linux namespaces. All of these things make up a pod, and that's what Kubernetes deals with and manages. I'm going to use a namespace. Namespaces can be extremely powerful and are a great tool for isolation. I'm using the minimal use case here where I'm simply using the namespace like a folder in a file system to keep all of the things that I'm creating so that nobody else has to see them in their environments, and it'll be a quick way for me to clean up all of these objects after the video. We're going to cover secrets. Secrets provide a way to store encrypted information and have it available to the container a number of ways. This can be made available to the container through an environmental variable or as a file, and so technically a secret can be a volume of sorts. Similarly, configuration information. So we're going to use a config map to do the same thing. The main difference here is that config maps are not encrypted. And then finally, we're going to talk about how to persist the application data and make sure that the information is available regardless of what node we're running on in the cluster.